Hi friends, today I'm gonna show you how to repair a switch. So I can show you it's a like removed switch panel from the wall. I have removed it already, and I'm facing an issue with this particular switch. It's very hard to operate. See the switch is very fine. You can just hear the sound. So there is no issue with this particular switch, and we have issue with this switch. So make sure like you have removed this. Please turn off the main and remove the panel, and you need to remove these two screws above over here. You can see out here, this and this. So I have already removed it. So like this one, so here this I have already removed, and this you have to hold it here over here and use your tester to remove this. You have to hold in that side and you have to turn it off, or turn it so it will come out. So I have already removed it. So let's take this apart. Okay, now I'm facing an issue with this this switch. It's very hard. So what I have to do is first remove this. You can see in internal there is another screw over there. So first remove this. I have removed. Keep it safe. If you miss these screws, then your whole work will be wasted. Again you have to purchase a new switch instead of repairing a switch. So I have removed and I have kept these two apart. So now you can see over there inside. So this is a molded one. You can't remove this, and this you can see a screw inside. So using a tester you have to remove that. So let me just remove it. Use your tester and remove it. Let me just remove it. Yeah, I have removed. There is an autofocus error. So I have removed it. You can see a screw here. Yeah, I have removed this. So let's turn it to take it out. This one. So here you can see a copper kind of thing right over here. This one. So you have to clean this, and it's a very old switch, and you have to clean this too, the copper lead which you can see over here. So this copper lead, you have to clean this copper lead and this copper lead. So please use a sandpaper, a piece of sandpaper, and you have to just rub it over there. So take a piece of sandpaper and clean it over here, this copper lead which you can see it here. Clean it nicely. So you can see shining over there a little bit. It's already cleaned, and same as well as you have to clean this. And be careful of this thing. This small particle should be inside over here like this. And so you have to insert. You have to just take this switch. This copper lead and this copper lead should be parallel. So just see it over here, and you have to place it over here. And I guess you can see the thread over there inside. So you have to take this which you have already removed, place it in this direction, so it will be helpful to insert the wire. Put it inside. Take this tester, line tester, and tight. Yes, now it's perfectly right. Now it's good. Now you can see it's working fine. So this is how you can repair your switch if it is stuck, jam, or if you're facing any kind of contact issue with the switch. You feel the switch is good but still you're not able to operate it very well. So this is how you can use it and you can repair your switch. Thank you for watching.